TikTok was almost banned in the US, yet it became the most downloaded app in the world. Its rise has been nothing short of extraordinary, reshaping how people consume content, market brands, and build digital communities. In just a few years, TikTok has outpaced competitors like Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook in user engagement. What makes it so addictive? How did it grow so fast despite global scrutiny? The answer lies in its algorithm, content strategy, and ability to adapt to user preferences. This platform has redefined short-form content, making everyday users viral sensations overnight. It understands user behavior better than any other app and delivers precisely what people want. Today, we'll break down TikTok's journey, its secrets to success, and why it continues to dominate. Stay tuned as we explore how this app took over the world. Like and subscribe for more insights into business, tech, and innovation. 1. TikTok's origins trace back to China, where it was launched as Douyin in 2016. ByteDance, the company behind it, saw an opportunity to revolutionize short-form video content. In 2017, they expanded globally under the name TikTok. The breakthrough came when ByteDance acquired Musical.ly, merging it with TikTok to create a single powerful platform. Unlike other apps, TikTok didn't just focus on social networking. It focused on entertainment. This shift attracted millions of users who preferred quick, engaging videos over traditional posts. By 2018, it had surpassed 1 billion downloads, signaling the start of a new digital era. 2. The algorithm is TikTok's secret weapon. Unlike Instagram or YouTube, TikTok's feed is driven purely by artificial intelligence. It doesn't prioritize followers, it prioritizes content performance. Even a new user with 0 followers can go viral overnight if their video is engaging. The For You page learns from every interaction, refining content recommendations in real time. This keeps users scrolling for hours, creating an endless loop of entertainment. The algorithm is designed to maximize engagement, ensuring users stay on the app longer than any other platform. This strategy is why TikTok boasts some of the highest retention rates in social media history. 3. Content virality is easier on TikTok than on any other app. Unlike YouTube, where building an audience takes time, TikTok gives users instant exposure. Challenges, trends, and sound-driven content make it easy for creators to participate and gain traction. A simple dance trend or funny clip can reach millions overnight. TikTok democratized content creation, allowing anyone to become a star. The low entry barrier has attracted a massive user base, making it the go-to app for viral moments. Unlike other platforms, TikTok focuses on discoverability, ensuring new content is constantly pushed to users. 4. TikTok's influence extends beyond entertainment. It has changed marketing. Brands now prioritize TikTok strategies over traditional advertising. Influencers on TikTok drive more sales than celebrities on TV. Businesses use viral trends to connect with younger audiences, making marketing campaigns feel organic. The app's paid ad system is also unique, blending seamlessly with user-generated content. Companies that adapt to TikTok's style thrive, while those who ignore it struggle to stay relevant. The platform has become the most powerful tool for digital marketing, reshaping the way brands engage with consumers. 5. Music and sound have played a huge role in TikTok's success. Unlike other social platforms, TikTok integrates music into content creation. Songs go viral because of trends and, in turn, boost artist popularity. Record labels now rely on TikTok to promote new releases. The platform has created global hits, reviving old songs and making unknown artists famous. This deep connection between music and video makes TikTok unique. Users don't just watch videos, they engage with sound. This interactive element is why TikTok remains so addictive. 6. TikTok's global expansion hasn't been without challenges. Governments in multiple countries have questioned its data privacy practices. India banned the app in 2020, citing security concerns. The US has debated similar restrictions, with lawmakers worried about its ties to China. Despite this, TikTok has continued growing, adapting to regulations and maintaining user trust. Its ability to navigate political scrutiny while expanding globally shows the power of its business model. The company's resilience has kept it ahead, proving that demand for engaging content outweighs regulatory challenges. 7. Monetization on TikTok has opened new opportunities for creators. Unlike older platforms, TikTok pays influencers directly through its creator fund. Brands also invest heavily in influencer partnerships, making content creation a full-time career. TikTok Live, virtual gifts, and brand deals allow creators to earn in multiple ways. This financial ecosystem has attracted top talent, keeping users engaged. The platform's ability to generate income for everyday people is another reason for its explosive growth. It isn't just a social media app, it's an economy of its own. 8. TikTok has reshaped social media culture. It prioritizes creativity over perfection, making content feel more authentic. Unlike Instagram, where curated aesthetics matter, TikTok thrives on raw, unfiltered moments. This shift has changed how people express themselves online. Trends spread faster than ever, influencing fashion, language, and even political movements. The app's cultural impact is undeniable, shaping how younger generations consume and create content. TikTok is no longer just an app, it's a cultural phenomenon. 9. Competitors have struggled to keep up with TikTok's success. Instagram launched Reels, YouTube introduced Shorts, and Snapchat revamped Spotlight, all trying to mimic TikTok's format. Despite these efforts, none have replicated its engagement levels. TikTok's advantage lies in its deep understanding of user behavior. While competitors focus on follower-based content, TikTok's algorithm keeps discovery at its core. This is why users continue to spend more time on TikTok than on any other app. It remains the leader in short-form video, setting trends rather than following them. 10. The future of TikTok looks even bigger. With advancements in AI, e-commerce, and virtual reality, TikTok is evolving beyond just video content. The app is integrating shopping features, allowing users to buy products directly from videos. Live streaming is expanding, creating new ways for creators to engage audiences. As TikTok continues innovating, its dominance in social media will only grow. The app's ability to stay ahead of trends and adapt to new technologies ensures its relevance for years to come. More than just an app, TikTok has changed how people consume media, market brands, and even make a living. Millions have found fame, businesses have thrived, and trends have taken the world by storm, all because of this one platform. Whether you love it, use it daily, or question its influence, one thing is undeniable. TikTok has reshaped the internet forever. As technology evolves, so does TikTok. With AI-driven personalization, integrated shopping, and virtual experiences, the platform is constantly adapting. The future of TikTok isn't just about videos. It's about changing how the world connects, communicates, and entertains itself. Where will it go next? Only time will tell. What do you think about TikTok's impact? Will it continue to dominate, or will something new take its place? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the biggest trends shaping the digital world.